Hi guys, welcome to this video lecture. We are still continuing our series on area of plane shapes. In this particular video, we are looking at area of a composite plane shape. So the first thing we need to know is what is a composite plane shape? We know of plane shapes like rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, and all those regular plane shapes. But what is a composite plane shape? A composite shape is any plane shape that is made up of two or more regular plane shapes. So when you have a combination of two or more regular plane shape, you have a composite plane shape. So what are the steps required in solving for the area of a composite plane shape? The first thing we need to do is split the composite shape into regular plane shapes. So whenever you want to solve a composite plane shape, the first thing you need to do is split it into regular plane shapes. The next thing you have to do is calculate the area of each of the regular plane shapes. And then finally, add all the areas together to get the area of the composite shape. So we're going to follow these three steps in solving the questions we have in this particular video. So the first question is, we are told to find the area of the figure below. So this is a shape. What type of shape is this? Is this a rectangle? No. A square? No. A triangle? No. It is not any of the regular plane shapes we know. So it is a composite plane shape. This means it consists of more than one regular plane shape. So in order to solve this question, we need to follow these steps. First step is split the composite shape into regular plane shapes. So since we have a shape like this, we can decide to split it like this so that we can have two rectangles, or we can decide to split it like this. We also have two rectangles. Okay, so let's do this way. So if we split it like this, we now have rectangle A and rectangle B. So we have split this composite plane shape into two regular plane shapes. Second step, calculate the area of each regular plane shape. So we're going to calculate the area of shape A and then calculate the area of shape B. So shape A is a rectangle. Area of rectangle A. We know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So for this particular rectangle, what's the length? The length is the longer side, which is 8 centimeters. So length is equal to 8 centimeters. What about the breadth? So the breadth is this way. We know that from here to here is 14 centimeters. We also know that from here to here is 10 centimeters. That means from here to here is 14 minus 10, which is 4 centimeters. So we have 4 centimeters. So area is equal to 8 multiplied by 4. This means the area of rectangle A is equal to 32 centimeters square. Next, we calculate the area of rectangle B. So area of rectangle B. So following the same process, length multiplied by breadth. What's the length? The length is not 14 centimeters, but the length is from here to here because the shape starts from here to this point. So the length is 10 centimeters. And the breadth is from here to here, which is 3 centimeters. So we have the area is equal to 10 multiplied by 3. And we have 30 centimeters square. So we've calculated the area of each of the regular plane shapes. Now we can calculate for the area of the composite plane shape. So total area is equal to 32 plus 30. This gives us 62 centimeters square. This means the area of this composite plane shape is 62 centimeters square. So let's look at the next question. So here we are told to find the area of the figure below. So just as we did in the first example, we need to split this composite plane shape into two regular plane shapes. So how are we going to split it? Are we going to split like this? No, it's not going to get to this point because it's a little bit shorter than here. So what we can simply do is we just divide it this way. So if we do that, we have shape A and we have shape B. Shape A is a triangle and shape B is a rectangle. This means for us to find the area of the entire composite plane shape, we need to find the area of shape A and then the area of shape B, then we can add them together. So how do we calculate the area of shape A? Looking at this, let's draw the triangle. Here we have 6 centimeters. Here we have 7 centimeters. what is this part? We have 3 and 5. So here is 8 centimeter. So that means we need to calculate the area of this triangle. In our previous lesson, we've seen how to calculate the area of a triangle when the 3 sides of the triangle are given. If you want to see how to do that extensively, you can go back to my playlist on area of plane shapes and then scroll down to the video where I taught about how to calculate the area of a triangle when the 3 sides are given. But for us to do that, we are going to follow this simple formula. So area of a triangle when the 3 sides are given is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So the question is, what is s? S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter means add all the sides of the triangle and divide by 2. So s is equal to 7 plus 6 plus 8 all over 2. This gives us 21 all over 2. So our S in this situation is 10.5 centimeter. So next, we're going to impute S into the formula. We can decide to say A is 7, B is 6, and C is 8. So let's do that. So area is equal to square root of 10.5 into 10.5 minus 7 into 10.5 minus 6 into 10.5 minus 8. Next, we have A is equal to square root of 10.5 into 10.5 minus 7 will give us 3.5 into 10.5 minus 6 will give us 4.5 and 10.5 minus 8 will give us 2.5. So this will give us square root of 413.4375. So what will be the area? 20.33 centimeter square. So now we've calculated the area of the triangle, which is area A. Next, we're going to calculate area B. So B is equal to, B is a rectangle, so we have length multiplied by breadth. The length is equal to 8 centimeter, and the breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. So area of B is equal to 8 multiplied by 5. And 8 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 40 centimeter squared. So the total area is equal to A plus B, which is 20.33 plus 40. This will give us a total area of 60.33 centimeter square. So this becomes the area of this composite plane shape. If you understood the lesson, I'd like you to solve the area of this composite plane shape and leave your answer in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video.